How's it going, everybody? So if you recall, last time we had discussed the SEO part one. Now we're going to go into a little more in depth of our SEO part two tutorial. So last time we discussed, the Google Webmaster Tools, brainstorming a user-friendly name for your website, aiming for static over the dynamic names for your website. We want to avoid subdomains. We want to get guest blogs exchanged for links, exercise your public relations and receive links from the media, sponsor events in exchange for links, and create contests as well. Now let's jump right into what we want to do here. First and foremost, we want to welcome our newest clients in the last month, Century 21 of New Jersey, Safe Food Labs, Garb Masala of Seattle, International Blankets, Metric Space, and TransX Globe. So those are the newest clients, and feel free to visit their sites. Okay, so now SEO, search engine optimization, all this is very important. Take notes if you need to. So SEO, search engine optimization, is the avenue to boost your website's presence in search engine results pages, SERPs. Let us view search engine optimization and search engine marketing, which is SEM, which are ads paid for by sponsors, which also appear in search engines results, as two different entities for the time being. So SEO in brief is completely free, and it's the practice of optimizing your website code to appeal to search engines. Now SEO and SEM can and they do work well together, although they can work completely independently. Two very important things to jot down here. Create a HTML and XML sitemap for your website and submit both them to search engines. So your XML sitemap, it's going to it's going to assist search engine spiders to understand your website and crawl it effectively. The HTML sitemap, nevertheless, it's going to be more of an on-page sitemap. It's a proven useful tool. The visitors find pertinent pages on your site, and I also recommend to match the templates used elsewhere on your site. It's preferred that the technology allows new pages to be instantly included to your sitemap. If you find your sitemap is not automatically creating, you may manually create one or simply use a sitemap creation venue such as xmlsitemaps.com. Make sure to test the sitemap. I recommend you check your sitemap to make certain that it does not contain any development site URLs once you've launched the website. Now always remember, our web review, find out what's wrong with your website and how to fix it, by me or by one of the professionals. I have a stat over here. We have about 77 new subscribers as of January 2014 with our web reviews. So and it also says 44 of them, or 47 of them, actually have got a great return on their investment. So we're doing something right. You found us, didn't you? Okay, now let's go right into something very important. We do like clockwork here at Global Establishment. That's keywords. Researching keywords, how do they fit into the scope of this big puzzle of SEO? So now that we're aware of SEO, search engine optimization, is the key to search engine traffic, let's understand how keywords fit in this highly complicated puzzle. Okay, so keywords, they're not a magical solution, right? They won't make you number one on the search engines. However, when researched properly, keywords will increase your conversions, keyword conversions, meaning your sales and your potential sales. Keywords provide important insight in research phase for all websites. Now your content. Content on your website is incredibly important. Incredibly important. Quality content absolutely comes first, and quality content, it trumps just about anything else. So your content will be imperative in obtaining high search rankings and driving traffic to your website. Have a lot of pages, number of pages. Over the years, SEO has evolved immensely, really has. These days, search engines are looking for quality content that answer the user search queries rather than metrics such as keyword density. Let's keep a depth of the website. Make sure your website offers quality content on numerous topics within your niche, which visitors find valuable. Very important. One page that acts as your online business presence is just not going to cut it. So make sure to have multiple pages on your website. Multiple pages, it enables your site to be found in numerous search queries, which will yield more traffic. Now, so make sure to incorporate media. So media absolutely needs to be a part of your web development, absolutely. Strategy if you're hoping to increase your ranking search engines. Static pages as well as pages with just simply text. They're great for providing information to visitors. However, the videos and images will encourage visitors to stay longer periods of time on your site. You want that. You want them to stay and read and learn and implement. So add images, informative videos. You could add online tutorials such as the one I've added and you have found. Um, other media types to keep your visitors engaged are very important. Hopefully this will improve your site sales and reduce the number of people that simply just use your website to like browse and leave, or landing and launching pad type of stuff. So, I'll tell you one thing, creating a well-designed, optimized website is really not that difficult, but having a professional assist you, now that's a luxury. So whether you're simply starting out, and you just want to employ some very basic techniques to help you simply implement any of the above literature to improve your site search visibility, feel free to browse it again, read the literature. People ask me all the time, hey, why do you do this? Why you just give out free information? Well, when I came in the industry, I needed to. And another thing, I don't have a competition. There are other, corporations and companies and businesses and what have you that try to do what I do. But here at Global Establishment, we're 24/7, tight-knit community, and we have not one bad review. Says something, right? So all in all, some added advice, I'll say, incorporate like a Google Analytics tool, something similar to it. Studies have clearly shown that data is very helpful to understand your site's performance as well as ideas for improvement. Always remember to monitor and measure your success, and always leave you with a quote, Max. Yeah. So this one's from Jeff Eisenberg, and it's much easier to double your business by doubling your conversion rate rather than by doubling your traffic. I'll let you bask in that thought. Until next time, take care. We'll see you later.